If you've been searching for stylish and affordable women's clothing online, you may have come across Eliquiker Boutique, a website that promises everything from trendy two-piece sets to seasonal outfit collections, plus clearance sales, free shipping on orders over $39.90, and a 30-day return policy. On paper, it sounds like the perfect place to refresh your wardrobe without breaking the bank. But before you get too excited and place an order, I decided to take a deep dive into Eliquiker.com to find out whether it's a legit online store or just another site trying to cash in on shoppers with flashy promises. What I found was quite concerning. For starters, the website's domain was only registered in May 2025, which is suspiciously recent for a site claiming to be a trusted boutique. When I looked closer at the product photos, many of them were being used on multiple unrelated websites, which raises questions about whether these items are actually in stock or even authentic. On top of that, there's no phone number or live chat for customer support, just an email address, which can make getting help slow and frustrating if you run into any issues. There's also a safety certificate displayed on the site, but it looks blurry and copied, not the kind of verification you want to rely on when sharing your payment information online. Perhaps the biggest red flag is the total absence of real customer reviews anywhere, not even on popular platforms like Trustpilot. That lack of feedback makes it difficult to know if anyone has actually received their orders or been satisfied with their purchases. I'm not outright calling Eliquiker Boutique a scam, but these warning signs definitely suggest caution if you're thinking about buying from them. In this video, I break down all these findings so you can decide for yourself if Eliquiker.com is worth your trust, or if it's better to look elsewhere for your fashion needs.